777 acceleration 2005. A lightly loaded 777 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 6 seconds. Please note that the unit is in miles per hour. A lightly loaded 777 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 6 seconds. Who says that? Boeing. What is the approximate acceleration in meters per second per second? So is it A, 96.56, B, 26.8224, C, 4.5, D, 10? So 0 to 60 miles per hour. So we have to convert miles per hour to meters per second. 60 miles per hour. So 60 miles per hour. And what is 1 mile equal to? 1609.344 meters. You see miles and mile can cancel out. So right now we have our answer in meters per hour. And what is 1 hour equal to? 3600 seconds. So that's what I did here. 60 miles per hour times 1 times 1. Why? We have two kinds of units, miles and hour. We have to convert miles to meters and hour to seconds. And multiply by 1. 1 mile is equal to 1609.344 meters. So what is 1609.344 meters divided by 1 mile? It's equivalent to 1. And similarly, we replace 1 in such a way that the hour and the hour cancel out. And 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So what is 1 hour divided by 3600 seconds? It's equivalent to 1. 60 times 1609.344 meters divided by 3600 seconds. And that is the same as 26.8224 meters per second. 26.8224, and that is as good as approximately 27 meters per second. So we have our final speed, 27 meters per second. Initial speed, it is starting from rest. So initial velocity is 0, and we achieve this in a time of 6 seconds. So what is acceleration? V final minus V initial divided by time. Many textbooks have V final as just V. So V minus V naught divided by time. So that's what I did here. What is the initial velocity? 0 meters per second. What is the final velocity? 27 meters per second. What is the change in velocity? 27 minus 0, and so many meters per second. So change in velocity is 27. What is the time? Approximately, it is 6 seconds. So what is acceleration? Change in velocity divided by time. Change in velocity divided by time. So 27 divided by 6, and that is 4.5. What is the unit? It is meters per second is what the change of velocity is. Change of velocity is in meters per second. Time is seconds. So meters per second is your unit for acceleration. So acceleration is change in velocity of 4.5 meters per second, and that is as good as 4.5 meters per second per second. So our acceleration is 4.5 meters per second per second. So what is our speed after 1 second? 4.5, because every second our velocity is going to change by 4.5 meters per second. From 0, it becomes 4.5. From 4.5, it becomes 9. From 9, it becomes 13.5. From 13.5, it becomes 18. From 18, it becomes 22.5. From 22.5, it becomes 27. At the end of 1 second, 4.5. At the end of 2 seconds, 9 meters per second. At the end of 3 seconds, 13.5. At the end of 4 seconds, 18. At the end of 5 seconds, 22.5. At the end of 6 seconds, it is 27. This is assuming that you have uniform acceleration. And thank you. And this is George Mathew, always wishing you the best.